Welcome to the world of Aarogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Aarogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Aarogya portal provided to you with Aarogya HMIS. Hello everyone. So in this video, we will explore the CPOE's dashboard available on the homepage of Aarogya website. CPOE stands for Computerized Provider Order Entry. By simply clicking on the extension, you are redirected to the CPOE page. The first step is to select a consultant, which is mandatory. For this video, we will select Dr. Aaditya Singh. The dashboard also allows us to view records from previous dates. For example, on June 18th and June 25th, we can see that Dr. Aaditya Singh attended to several patients. This is one of the major advantages of the Aarogya ERP system. It not only organizes patient flow, but also creates a structured and effective healthcare process. Here, the dashboard shows that on a given day, there were 11 general patients along with 3 special cases. It also displays appointment details. For instance, 6 appointments were booked, 1 was paid by Hariharan, while the rest was still pending. All listed patients are visible here. Now, with regard to queue management, the system provides a display option. When connected to a monitor in the outpatient department, patients can see clearly their turn to meet the doctor. This feature is very useful. It helps patients plan their time better and reduces unnecessary waiting. At the same time, hospitals benefit by minimizing long queues and avoiding crowding in OPD areas. On the display screen, patients can see details such as the doctor's name, consultation room, the current patient being attended, and the next patient in line. For example, Dr. Aaditya Singh in OPD 1 is attending the second patient and the third patient is shown as the next in queue. Back on the main page, the system allows the doctor or staff to click on the Call Next Patient. This automatically calls the next person in line. The same process can be repeated until all patients listed for the day are attended. In this example, there are 13 patients scheduled in total. By streamlining patient calling and queue management, the CPOE dashboard ensures smooth hospital operations. It saves patients time, reduces confusion, and helps hospitals to manage large volumes of outpatients more efficiently. Thank you for watching.